Right, let's go for a ride on the Log Flume. Back of the boat. Doesn't mean I'm not going to get wet, but you know. Oh, hey up, there we are.
Celebrate Armed Forces Day at Fantasy Island. Claim your free wristband with thanks from everyone at Fantasy Island.
Breeze is nice.
Visit our website for more information.
It's amazing how quick you actually get around this, isn't it? Alright, here we go. Here comes the drop. Oh God! Oh heck! Oh! Whoa! A little bit moist, not massively. Certainly smell the water. Ooh. There you have it.